Mike with Fast Track Automall. Today, we're taking a look at a 2001 Honda Accord EX. A little time travel. But in time travel land, she seems to have lived through it well. Did do a bit of work on her. Power steering pump, fuel lines, power steering line, more. Let's take a look at her open up. New plugs, cold air intake, new battery, new power steering pump. Worked on the pulleys to make sure everything's quiet. New O2 sensor, upstream and down. Car has 100,000 miles on it. That is an 01, so a 23-year-old car with 100,000 miles on it. It's about 4,500 miles a year. 1/3 the average. The tires got great life on them, solid 3 years. Wind just blew the door shut. Hey, there we go. It's coupe. Windows, power, work, mirrors, everything's good. Do a quick 1, 2. Driver mirror done. Passenger, we can't see it. We'll come back to that in a minute. For the passenger mirror, just switch that. For the driver's seat, you got to pull to bring it forward and back. You got a motor to raise and lower the seat. And your recline right here. Cleaned up the rims a little bit, did a spray paint job on them. Something, changed the caps out on them. Seam there. You get some bonus parts in the trunk here. So if you want the air intake, you got it. You got mats for the winter. You got the license plate holder if you want it. You got a little side bucket for storage. Under here is a spare tire. Change the air filter. I'll get rid of that. But we got 4 Irridum plugs, an extra downstream sensor because that was kind of fun trying to get a hold of that one. And there's another piece for the cold air intake if you want. There's a few hoses here just for gas line, anything, just so you know, gas lines were done, brake lines were done. Little touch-up paint here and there in the areas. Bring it back. Power windows and locks for the passenger. For the passenger seat, it's an easy coil mechanism. Get access to the back seat here. For the gas tank and the trunk, it's just push and pull. You can lock that as well so no one can get in there. Easy access to the computer. There's your hood. Little change tray. Close her up. She has audio channels up and down. Let's do that real quick. That's working. Volume's working. And we have cruise control as well. So, air conditioning. She's blowing cold. So the shifter goes to D4, which is the standard drive, but it can also go into a lower drive or even real low for the winter. So kind of nice gearing for the winter. It's front wheel drive, but it's extra traction and extra control. Cup holder. Center storage. And it's a 2-tier, I believe. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. We'll take a look here in the glove box. Got good space. It's kind of a deep thing, you know. It goes into it. So, anyways, you get a little space there. For the rear view mirrors, it's got a slider here. Looks like the lights aren't kicking in. That's life. There's your sunglasses holder there. Lights are good. And for the passenger side, there we go. Let us open up the sunroof. Check. And for the top lights, there we go for the center lights. We'll close her up.